Good, thanks. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good.
I like what you're wearing, girl.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. From the Magic Kingdom here at Walt Disney World Resort, we are headed in to have some magical fun. We're going to ride some rides, eat some food, and eat dinner at Skipper Canteen. I'm so excited. Let's go have some fun in the Magic Kingdom. It sounds like the train just arrived, so let's see if we can catch it.
Around the Magic Kingdom, with stops at Frontier and Fantasyland.
From the mighty trains that powered the golden age of steam. And just like me, it's a little old-fashioned. Now, where else can you travel from the charm of Main Street, USA, the untamed jungles of Africa, Asia, and South America? At the Magic Kingdom, anything is possible.
Thank you, I've had a lot of practice.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're headed for Fantasyland and to Main Street, USA.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are the Dapper Dans, and on behalf of the Main Street Philharmonic, our Magic Kingdom Security Color Guard, and Main Street Operations, we are pleased and proud to welcome you to today's flag retreat ceremony here in Town Square. Our Town Square flag retreat ceremony is one of our original Magic Kingdom traditions. We are honored that you have taken time from your day to become part of that tradition with us. Also in attendance at today's ceremony are a number of cast and employees of the Walt Disney Company who have personally served in the military, had family who have served, or are supporters of our men and women in uniform. They are here to honor those who made the ultimate sacrifice in the fight for freedom and the protection of liberty. Many of the ideals which these service members safeguarded are represented here at Main Street, USA. Like our founder, Walt Disney, the Walt Disney Company continues to honor all those who serve in the military here, at home, and around the world.
To the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now, our national anthem.
we're delighted to have with us today a very special Armed Forces Honored Representative. Please join us in welcoming today's Armed Forces Honored Representative from the United States Air Force, Tech Sergeant Billy Kearns, all the way from Pensacola, Florida. Let's give him a hand, everybody.
Thank you for joining us for our flag retreat ceremony. Please enjoy the rest of your day here in the Magic Kingdom.
Welcome to one of the most Instagrammable spots in Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, the Hub Grass. We are currently standing in Magic Kingdom Courtyard on the Hub lawn. This popular piece of AstroTurf is located right in the heart of Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, and it is most well known for its hashtag HubGrassAndChill. Off to Adventureland. We are going to dine tonight for dinner at Skipper Canteen, but first let's ride one of our favorite rides here, the Jungle Cruise.
And look at what they did to my Jeep. They painted it blue. And I told them that my favorite color is khaki and they used blue. But if you didn't like it, my name is not important right now. Just enjoy the rest of your day here, and please don't let them know that you didn't like it, okay? Please don't do that to me, guys, okay? Don't let them know, okay? Don't let them.
We just finished our dinner at Skipper Canteen. It was phenomenal. It's the first time we've eaten there, so very excited to try something new. I got the Taste Like Chicken because it is chicken. I was kind of torn between the shrimp and the chicken, but I'm so glad I got the chicken. Our skipper said the sauce was a little spicy, so I got it on this side. It turned out to be really good, but the sauce was very spicy. It was a little too spicy for me. It was served over rice, which was delicious. We will definitely eat there again. It's a nice addition to Magic Kingdom. It has a different menu, which is really nice. It's a lot different than the normal Magic Kingdom offering of cheeseburgers or chicken fingers. So we really enjoyed it. It's definitely something we'll be back again soon. Now we're waiting for the fireworks. We have a little over an hour until the fireworks start, but we have a huge sea of people back there. Everybody's lined up for the fireworks. We have a little bit over an hour to go. I'm sitting right here in front of Cinderella's castle. I'm staked out right here in front of the castle. I had this spot the other night for the castle projection show. It worked out really well. The crowds are really starting to gather for the nighttime shows here in the Magic Kingdom. There are two shows. One is a castle projection, which is Once Upon a Time, and then of course the fireworks is Happily Ever After. You definitely need to get here early if you want to have a good seat for the show.
Off to the cupboard with you now, Chip. It's past your bedtime.
But Mama, you haven't told me a story yet.
Well, I suppose we have time for a story or two.
Yay! Don't forget my favorite part.
I wouldn't dream of it, dear. Once upon a time.
day here at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom Park. Thank you so much for traveling along with us in this vlog, and we hope you enjoyed the vlog as much as we enjoyed spending the day at the Magic Kingdom. It's closing time for the Magic Kingdom, so now it is time to say goodbye. We are all headed out on the long lines for buses and ferries. Thank you so much for traveling along with us, and we'll see you next time.